can see, we're getting ready to mix up our concrete. The important thing to notice is our primer is dry. I can touch it, it's not sticky at all. You can see the color has changed a little. It's got that corally orange tone to it. And what's really convenient about having the primer when it's dry, and it's very important to make sure it's dry, is once it is dry, you can lay a piece of plastic down on top of your countertop and make that into your mixing station. So we're just going to work on this piece of plastic and mix up our materials.
Yeah, so Finale is a concrete mix. This is a powdered concrete mix with special ingredients, and basically you just add water. We have 5 Finale colors that you can use. This is a cool gray that the homeowner has chosen, and that's it. It is important to use the Finale colors with the Finale concrete. Other types of pigments, powdered pigments, do not work with the system. And we're going to do our measuring. I'll show you that. There is a measuring syringe for water that comes in the kit. And then we're going to be mixing with a cake mixer and a batter bowl.
Very simple, very easy. You probably already have most of the things you need, and the special things you don't have, we give to you. Like the syringe, that diamond hand pad, and the plastic trowel you're going to see us use to apply the material.
Alright, I'm going to start mixing. It is important to shake your color just like paint. It needs to be well blended before you start. Okay. Pretty good. And I'm going to be measuring my water, and then my color, and then my concrete. Alright, I'm ready to measure the powdered concrete, and for this step it is important to put on a proper N95 dust mask. Not this kind like you usually use at the grocery store, but a real one.